Is your 2019 Ram 1500's Uconnect screen frozen or unresponsive? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through the quickest fixes to get your system back up and running. Often, the issue stems from software glitches, overheating, or minor electrical faults. We'll cover two main types of resets: soft reset, reboot, and hard reset, factory reset, starting with the easiest solution first. Soft reset. Press and hold the power button on the Uconnect screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. Hard reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Restore Settings, or Factory Reset. Requires PIN and vehicle in park. Remember, Stellantis releases updates to address these issues, but for 2019 models, these often require manual action. First, try a soft reset. Simply press and hold the Uconnect screen's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This is like rebooting your phone and won't erase any data. If that doesn't work, proceed to a hard reset. From the home screen, navigate to Settings, System, Reset. You'll see options for Restore Settings or Factory Reset. You'll need your PIN, which is default 000. Important: a factory reset will erase your saved data, so back it up if possible. This restores the system to its original state. If problems persist, consider a USB update with the latest Stellantis software or consult a dealership for potential hardware issues.